A loss of identity. Second thing that comes through the system is the inheritance. You will inherit things, not just physical things. This system is beyond money. This system is that you will inherit ability. You will inherit power. You inherit wisdom. You inherit insight. Only if you're properly postured. And I'm going to give you 3 things that will help you understand what posture is. As a son in a house, the benefits of this system, inheritance, identity. Watch this. Third thing, watch this. Watch this. That sounds like another preacher, don't it? But watch this. The third thing that comes, not the only, this is not exclusively to the 5 things I'm giving you, but increase comes when you are properly postured to your Father. Increase will come to your life. If you're fragmented in your attendance of church, if you're fragmented in your attendance and your responsibility around this particular house, you will find that your life will not increase. But if you get connected properly, you will see, because it passes down. Those who are properly connected to me, they can be crazy, they can have all kinds of issues, but if they properly connected to me, their life go up. I wish somebody would help me, because this is not. We're not talking about behavior here. We're not talking about that they become more perfect. No, we're talking about sonship here. We're talking about if you're properly connected, your life goes up. Say up. Friday night. Say increase. Increase. Because you're connected to this system. Yes. Identity, inheritance, increase. Yes. Third, fourth thing, I call it insight. When you're connected properly to your pastor, Sonia, don't it save your time? You get some revelation on something. You're seeing to things that others are struggling to see, but because you sit under a certain kind of anointing, you can be looking at the certain thing, same thing that other people are looking at, but you see something beyond what you see. That comes from the anointing that you're sitting under. Revelation. Somebody say revelation. Illumination. Insight. Last thing for tonight, as it relates to this connection to the system, this is the hardest part about being connected to this man of God, is incision. Yes, because I have to cut you to prove that you're my son. This is the part that nobody likes. Look at your neighbor and say, he cut me. Incision, circumcision. I gotta put an earring in your ear, and I gotta pierce your ear. Incision, circumcision. I gotta cut you. I gotta correct you. I gotta realign you. That's what proves whether you are a son or a daughter. This is what consummates the connection. God, wish somebody can help me. Blood is the only way we can consummate the relationship. I gotta cut you. I gotta spill some blood. You gotta let me put you on the altar. Abraham, y'all not praying, brought Isaac to the altar. And if I can't ever bring you to the altar, and if I can't ever cut you, you're not my son. For churches that bless us but never cut us. Wish somebody would preach with me. We look for churches that'll preach our gospel, but we don't want nobody to cut us, to correct us. Yeah, you all right with me if I let you teach Bible study, and I let you do that, but when I get ready to cut you, you find me you another church. When I get ready to cut you, you stop coming to church for 2 weeks. No, sir. I need somebody I can love and correct. I need somebody I can love and bless. I need somebody I can cut and put you back together again. I wish I was a real preacher.